Alright guys, this is little Johnny. We're just going to do a little segment here. I got this new filament in from Hobby King. It's a PLA, it's silver. Let's see if I can get that to focus. And it's a, well, so far it's been printing really well. I really don't have any complaints about it. It's been doing really well. I've also got a couple of other filaments also on top of that, and for the settings that I'm using right now to print that base is see if I can get this to focus. There we go. That's what I'm running at right now. And let's see, I got my maker box. It came in, of course, and I've used some of the blue PLA that they have in it. And I will say, man, this wood filament from SUNLU has been something else. I don't recommend that to nobody. And you can see I have used quite a bit off of that roll trying to get my prints to work. That's how much I have left off of a 1K roll. And I've also got this PETG, it's transparent red. It's also a Hobby King filament. And it's kind of tricky, to be honest with you, to print with. It's not like the regular PLA that you print with. And this is some black that I got from Hobby King, and I imagine that it will print just as good as this silver that I'm printing with. And this silver has some metallic in it, it seems like, when I was looking at it earlier. And just to go over the maker box, this is that blue that I was telling you about, is a PLA by AIO, and I've made some stuff out of it. It's been pretty good. And this is the Max PETG, the transparent green, and I kind of would like to use this to see how it compares to the Hobby King PETG, because the Hobby King PETG, it's a premium, so I got the higher grade. But we'll see how it does and how it comes out. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And this is the Play PHAB that they came out with in the maker box, and I haven't got to print with it yet. Of course we will, though. We will print with it, and we'll see what it looks like and how it does. And I like this maker box. I'm really liking this maker box. Here's the linen that they had this month, giving you some of the stuff on it. And it's an okay color. And if anybody that's watching this, you know, and you don't have this maker box, I would, and you're doing a lot of 3D printing, I would really recommend that you get this maker box, because man, I mean, I'm paying $19.80 or 88 cents a month, and you're getting a lot of filament, and you're getting different kinds of filament, and it's pretty good branded stuff. I mean, you know, and it's good quality. And I will say on top of that, that when you get your first maker box, that you'll get some information about everything and about what's going on, and you'll also get some information about getting 25% off of a lot of your filaments, and you're gonna get a lot more off of other filaments as well. It opens up a really big door for you. And I'll say, if it wasn't for Nervy's over there on his YouTube channel, I wouldn't have bought it either. So thank you, man, for letting me know about that and educating me about that. That's awesome. That's been one of the best things so far. And it gives you an opportunity to try stuff and to see what it's gonna do, instead of buying, you know, I'm the type of person, I want to buy a whole spool at a time. You know, I don't want to buy just a little bit, because if I like it, and then I'm not gonna have enough to print out all the big stuff I want to print and everything else. So, you know, the maker box is just, you know, 19 something a month I get to throw at them, and they throw a bunch of stuff my way, and I get to see if I like it or not. Plus I get discounts on all of it, which is helping me a whole lot, because I buy a lot of filament and it helps with everything. So I really encourage everybody to get that maker box. Like I said, they're not paying me or nothing like that. It's really beneficial to you. And I've never subscribed to anything like that, to where I paid money a month or anything, you know. So this is the first for me, and wow, it's turned out really well so far. I can't wait to see what's coming on next month's box. But until then, I will add on to this video showing more prints, and of course I'll be showing this when it finishes, and some more prints I've done, and I'll even show you that that PETG from Hobby King. This is what I tried to print with it, and as you can see, it doesn't look all that great. I mean, it finished, if you want to call it that. And then when I went to get it off of the bed, the bottom came off of it. And you know, I'm no master at this by no means. And this is the Beard Saber, the little cover right here, and it's got cr10 on the other side, just in case anybody's wondering. So you can, you know, it's just a little cover for you right there. And I wanted to print it out, and it's supposed to be translucent red, and you know, I just wanted to print some little something to start with. But that is that. And here is some of the blues that this is that AIO PLA that I got from the maker box, and man, it prints out really nice, really smooth. Matter of fact, I did a Chevy emblem with the Hulk busting out of it, so I'll have to show you that, and I'll be adding on to this video, so hold on.